What's up? My name's Repeatman. Today I'm going to show you how to install an alarm. Or in this case, remove an alarm and then install a new one. Let's get started, shall we? So the one problem when you buy a Viper alarm off eBay, like this, nice fine unit, is it's all in English on the outside. Oh, you can't see that, can you? That's all English. But the installation manual, the installation instructions, guess what? They're all in Spanish. So if you have one of these alarms and you're trying to install it yourself, congratulations, you now have an install video. I was able to pull up a PDF file of another alarm system similar to this one because they said, dealer install only. And it told me what all these wires do. So, let's begin.
I thought I'd go ahead and just stick the pictures of the wiring diagrams in the video. Gonna give a shout out to YouTube user Honda Civic for providing this diagram for our viewing pleasure. The only difference between his diagram and my diagram is that I am simply providing a ground for my factory horn relay versus providing power to another horn. So that's the only difference, but same thing, just a little different.
Let's get dirty. Poor zip ties. Oh well. She's coming down. Here's the old alarm. Ouch. Oh yeah, there's shock sensor. I think I'll take that out too. We're gonna start fresh with this one. Well, one nice thing this old alarm does, it tells you what each and every single wire does. So, the plan is, cut the wires off right here, and then splice in our new alarm. I think it'll work perfect. Don't you? Yeah, let's try it out.
A few moments later.
That was a lovely bathroom break, wasn't it? I did pull the fuses out for the power for the alarm. So there's no power running the wire anymore. So you took the fuses out. So what I'm gonna do, the plan is cut one wire at a time. And then, yeah, we'll transfer each wire over to the new alarm. This has an LED thingy on it, so I gotta take that out too. Snap, I just cut the LED wires. Who cares? I could always splice them back together and reuse them if I wanted to. So let's continue on. I'm gonna cut each wire off individually. Wow, there's a lot of wires here. So I did a pit stop by O'Reilly Auto Parts, got myself some female insulated connectors and some male non-insulated connectors. This going shrinkable. I know there's guys out there that will say, why don't you just use some shrinkable wrap and solder it, but quite frankly, this is the inside of a vehicle. It's kind of rhetorical. It's not really going to be exposed to the elements unless I leave my door open for a year and a half, whatever, or it sits in the salvage yard. But yeah, there we go. Oh my god, it worked. Wait, no, it didn't. These are such crappy crimpers though, but they work somewhat. That's about good. Two connectors done. Next. Alright, so all the wires are done, and here's my end of my harness. So if I hook this all up right, this should work. Huh. Wow. Oh, I kind of sort of forgot to hook a wire up, didn't I? I forgot to hook up the parking flashers, so that's why the parking lights aren't flashing. So let me do that real quick. So let's try this again. So if this is all hooked up right, I should see, there's the horn. And I'll set the, there we go. I might unhook that annoying siren, but I have it hooked up just as a kind of a reference. So I'll lock my doors. And someone comes in, comes over, pries my door open. There we go. All set. It's nighttime. I got the alarm mounted ever so snugly inside my dash. We're going to test the functions of the remote. So if I lock the doors, let's say a bad guy comes over and does the how-to basic, picks the lock with the banana, opens the door. So it does that. Let's see. Someone comes up and bangs on the vehicle, tries breaking the window. Does that. So there we have it. And the cool thing about this is you push auxiliary, arm silently, auxiliary, see the button on the side. You push it, and that way your horn doesn't, do the chirp like that when you're in a quiet neighborhood like this. Oh, and let's test panic out. Oh, I also wired my headlights up, so it will look really cool when the alarm goes off. And there we go. That looks kind of cool. I like that. So there you have it. Viper alarm install. Thanks for watching.